So good evening, Lucky.
Good evening, sir.
Now please tell me what type of photos do you like taking and why?
I like taking selfies because it needs only me.
Okay. Selfies?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you do with the photos you take? Why?
I save the photos in my memory card for just memories.
Why?
For memories?
Alright. When you visit other places, do you take photos or buy postcards? Why?
I take photos because it is comfortable for me.
Do you like people taking photos of you? Why?
Yes, I like it. Feels like a special.
Okay. So why do you like?
Because it feels special.
It feels
Special.
special. You feel like special. Alright.
Yeah.
So now you have a cue card.
Okay.
Speak for about 2 minutes. Time starts now. Yeah.
I like the weather of Agra when I visited on 11th of the July of 2018 this year. It was very calm and pleasant evening at that time. The sun was not so hot, clouds were appearing in the sky, it was drizzling somewhere and some cool winds were blowing at that time. So it was not as hot weather at that time it seems to be. So I feel very comfortable in this type of weather. When I entered, it was very beautiful view of that Taj just because of the winds blowing in that motion, and at that time the sun was dawning at that time, so it makes a beautiful scenery in atmosphere. Some rainbows were also clicked by my phone at that time, which makes the weather more beautiful at that time. When I go top of the Taj Mahal, I saw the Yamuna river, which was shining just because of sunlight that was falling on that water, and that reflecting the Taj with a beautiful scene. Just because of that weather, it was happened. As that weather made my visit very special at that time. So I feel very clear at that time of the weather. So I like that weather just because of monsoon and some drizzling at the moment it was going on. Right now I want to say that we must visit this kind of historical places in this kind of weather, because this kind of weather makes it more beautiful than other weathers. I like
Okay, fine.
okay.
Now please tell me what types of weather do people in your country dislike most? Why?
Summer, because it is very hot, it increases the temperature more than the 40 degree, it becomes batty and people just precipitated all the time. So it also causes some diseases like malaria and some flu.
Okay. What jobs can be affected by different weather conditions? Why?
Educational jobs can be offended by this kind of weather, because students feels bother about going to the school from their home in that summer, because it is not comfortable to study in that intense heat.
Okay. Are there any important festivals in your country that are celebrated according to season?
Makar Sankranti is a very important festival which is related to the season of Makar Sankrant. It is called Maghi in Punjabi. It is described the festival, and also Basant Panchami, which is related to the spring weather, and it is also related to the Saraswati Pujan, which is very important.
How important do you think it is for everyone to check what the next day's weather will be and why?
Yes, it is very important to check the weather of next day, because if we are planning to go somewhere out and weather is not suitable or it is about to rain, so we must cancel our plan so that we don't have any problem to go there.
Okay. What is the best way to get accurate information about the weather?
Internet, Google, we can Google the weather forecast. So it also provides the important information about weather, and it is
How easy or difficult is it to predict the weather in your country? Why?
sometimes it is very difficult for the people who are not so educated and which are acquainted to the internet apps of weather forecasting, but somewhere it is also easy for them to just watch out the television and news and headlines where they can easily predict the weather.
Okay, there are a few things which I would like to tell you is although you have given all the answers, yet there are certain areas where you need improvement. One thing is intonation, means you need to change tones at various places. And there is a problem of tense also. At one place you said, yes, in Agra I go to, which actually should be I went to. Then I asked you which type of work is affected. You said the work is offended. Offended means offend is an entirely different word. So you need to work on vocabulary also. Sometimes the other person is not able to understand what you are speaking because there is some pronunciation problem also. As such, pronunciation is okay, means in whichever way you say, but the thing is that other person should be able to understand it. So you should listen to BBC News, All India Radio News, and you should listen to more and more people so that you are able to pronounce better. You should stress A-E-I-O-U so that whenever you speak something, it becomes very clear to the other person and he has absolutely no doubt. And although the initial questions should be spoken to the point, but yet you can speak 2-3 lines so that you should not be absolutely short, because if you are too short, it looks slightly rude also, and plus the other person is not able to understand. So I award you 6 bands for speaking. So you need a lot of improvement if you wish to score 7 band or 7+ bands. Okay, Lucky?
Thank you, sir, for your valuable advice.
Okay, bye bye.